Hi there, I'm Liz Rutledge with Sustainable 3 with your weekly mindfulness practice, your peaceful panther pause. By now you are familiar with how to turn your mindful bodies on. If you're sitting on the floor, you're going to be sitting with your legs crossed, and if you're sitting in a chair, you're going to be sitting with your feet flat on the floor. And then just rest your hands in your lap. Just relaxing, feeling a little bit heavy from the waist down, like a tree growing its roots into the ground, and light, like a tree growing your branches up into the sky, with a nice straight back. Today we're going to use the number 5, to take 5. We're going to be using the number 5 as our mindfulness tool today. We're going to be counting in for 5 counts and out for 5 counts, but in between we're going to be holding our breath. This is what we call square breathing. And I'd like you to imagine drawing a square in the air, in your imagination, with your eyes closed. So what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in for 5 counts, hold your breath for 5 counts, breathe out for 5 counts, hold your breath out for 5 counts, and then repeat. Just like that. So if you would please, hands resting in your lap, mindful bodies on, close your eyes, and go ahead and breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep going. Hold, breathe out, and hold it out. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold it out, and 3 more times in, hold, breathe out, hold it out, and breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold it out. Last time, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold it out, and let that go. And open your eyes, feeling how you feel now after doing that very calming breath pattern. That's a great exercise to do anytime you're feeling anxious. If you've been out on the playground playing and you're coming in and needing to sit still for a while, it's a really great thing to do if you're trying to get to sleep at night or before you start doing your homework or before a test. It just helps calm your nervous system, get you centered, focused, and grounded. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week.